मॉर्निंग दी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 2। आज आप लोगों को वीमेंस एजुकेशन एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कराना देखेंगे। अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेक्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन विद रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट द फॉलोइंग पैसेजेस इन इंग्लिश। संदर्भ और प्रसंग सहित निम्नलिखित जो है अनुच्छेदों के अंग्रेजी में व्याख्या फर्स्ट, यू आर लिविंग डॉट 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 योर वर्क। अब देखते हैं ये जो है लाइनें कहाँ हैं। ये लाइन जो है यू आर लिविंग पहला ही पैराग्राफ है। अब इसका रेफरेंस लिखेंगे संदर्भ है। वी कैन राइट द रेफरेंस इन टू वे। फर्स्ट है मैनर इज, पहले तरीके से हम जो संदर्भ लिखेंगे, दीज लाइन्स have been taken from the lesson Women's Education written by Dr. S.R. Krishna, सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। दूसरे तरीके से this passage has been taken from the lesson Women's Education written by S.R. Krishna। अब आपको जो आसान लगे उसी तरीके से। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, प्रसंग में क्या लिखे, अब इसमें लेखक क्या करना चाहता है उसी के बारे में एक लाइन में लिखना होता है। हियर द राइटर डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट द वीमेंस एजुकेशन इन दिस पैसेज। एक्सप्लेनेशन, यू आर लिविंग इन एन एज व्हेन देयर आर ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर वुमेन इन सोशल वर्क। The writer says that we are living in such a type of time when there are a great occasion or opportunities for women in social work. They are mostly participated in social work and public life and administration because many type of government job has provided for the women and they are doing this type of administrative job. Society requires women of disciplined mind and restrained manner, and this society which is mostly full of men, it hopes that women should be disciplined mind and controlled manners. Their manners should be controlled. There should be no other type of inspiration. Whatever line of work you undertake, which type of work is done by the women, you should bring it to be honest. It should be honestly do it and disciplined mind. The work should be also done by disciplined mind. You will then succeed and have the joy of. And a person who have disciplined mind and honest for his work, then he would get success in life and they have the joy of their mind. अब अगला जो है पैराग्राफ देखते हैं। एक्ट सेकंड, एक्चुअली इन योर डॉट 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 एंड बेटर। अब ये पैराग्राफ देखते हैं कहाँ है। एक्चुअली यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक बेटर तक, तो आपको रेफरेंस बताए दोनों में से एक जो है, और जो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में क्या लिखेंगे। एक्चुअली इन आवर कंट्री एजुकेशन so far as girl education. The writer described in this passage about the women's education. Explanation, mostly the girls is not so much related to education life in our country, and it is also not very widespread because of lack of because our society is full of superstition. The people do not like to teach their girls. So every institution which contribute to the education of girls is worthy of recognition and encouragement. And the institution by which the girls get the education, it should be worthy of recognition and encouragement. And the writer is also anxious, worried about such type of education that is mostly imparted not only broad but it should be very deep. It means that the education which is to given the women, it should be very widely and very deep. There there is a shortage of depth. If one may become learned and skilled, but they have no purpose, no type of purpose in life to become of any type of skilled mind, and then such type of life becomes blind and blundering, and it is full of trouble because aimlessly such type of educated people wander here and there and their education has no purpose. अब अगला पैराग्राफ देखते हैं. Therefore it dot for yourself. ये लाइन तीसरा पैराग्राफ यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है. योर सेल्फ यहाँ तक है. रेफरेंस पहले जैसा रहेगा. कॉन्टेक्स्ट में द राइटर डिस्क्राइब हियर द एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर एन इंस्टीट्यूशन. Explanation. Therefore, it is very necessary that the education which is provided by this type of institution or educational body for human, it should not be only learning, full of learning and skill, but there should be also a definite purpose in life. If there is no purpose of education in life, it is worthless. What that purpose is, you have to define yourself. And which type of purpose should be of like such type of education, it would have to define for yourself who has already got the education from that and educational institutions. अब अगला पैराग्राफ देखते हैं कहाँ है. ए पर्पज विच डॉट प्रेजेंट जनरेशन. अब इसको देखिए. ए पर्पज विच हेल्ड गुड सेंचुरीज एगो. यहाँ से तो रेफरेंस है पहले जैसा. कॉन्टेक्स्ट में डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण, कॉन्टेक्स्ट में डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन describes here about the purpose of education in this passage. Explanation. The writer describes here a purpose which was very good many centuries ago, may not hold good today in view of the, but that is not good now in present time. Why this is so? Because the changing or fast changing condition of our country and society. Mostly people are changing themselves according to the time and according to the world, So the purpose which you adopt in your life must be adapted to relevant needs of the present generation. So which type of purpose you are wearing your wearing in your life, it should be also adapted to the related needs of present generation. It means that the education should have a relevant needs of present generation for present society and country. Paragraph number 5, compassion दया डॉट डॉट more than that. अभी पैराग्राफ देखते हैं कहाँ कंपैशन दया इज द क्वालिटी, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक। तो एक्सप्लेन रेफरेंस पहले जैसा ही रहेगा, कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखते हैं। हियर द राइटर डिस्क्राइब अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ ए वीमेन स्पेशली कंपैशन और दया। Explanation. Compassion, which is daya in Hindi. In other words, we can say mercy is the quality of a woman, because the heart of a woman is full of compassion. The writer has read many type of books related to women's life and education, and they all say to him about the decline of womanhood because of lack of compassion. And the book says that this is decline because there is a decline in compassion or daya in the heart of women. In other words, we can say that daya is the natural quality of women, and if they do not have compassion, and a person who do not have compassion is not human. So it is therefore very essential for every human being to develop the quality of consideration. So it is very natural thing to develop the quality of the skill of thoughtfulness, kindness or compassion and mercy. And a person who do not have this quality, they are not human being. They are only human animal, which means in Sanskrit nar pashu, and they are nothing besides that. Thanks, Jai Hind.